Welcome back to Learning with Our Difference, and this is Minakshi. News headlines in English for 30th November. And first of all, national news. Indian Army trained kites to prey on enemy drones. Amazon shut down wholesale distribution in India. Petition filed against Tamil Nadu governor over Office of Profit claim. Hornbill Fest, monuments lighting as India to take up G20 presidency. Election body hearing in Lok Jan Shakti Party, symbol Raw postponed, a report said. Two Pakistani drones were gunned down by the border security force along the India-Pakistan border in Punjab. Vistara Airlines will be merged with the Tata Group-owned Air India, said a release by the Tata Group. Mumbai Metro permitted to pursue play on felling 84 trees in RA colony. Geo services down across India, Twitter flooded with hilarious memes. After rejecting 10, Centre OK's Supreme Court panel's two choices for judges. At minus 2.2 degrees Celsius, Srinagar recorded season's coldest night. Assam told to take appropriate action on PM Kisan scheme irregularities. New Noida Police Chief is Lakshmi Singh, UP's first woman police commissioner. Centre allowed Enforcement Directorate to share information with 15 more agencies. Now, international news. World's largest active volcano, Hawaii's Mauna Loa, erupted after 39 years. Vladimir Putin seeks to use winter as weapon of war, NATO chief. UK will not ban legal but harmful content in favor of free speech. UK ousts China from construction of its new nuclear project Sizewell. Russia, hit by sanctions, asked India to deliver parts for cars, trains, a report said. UK summoned China's ambassador over assault of BBC journalist in Shanghai, a report said. Journalists should not engage in activities unrelated to their role, China. Biden's monitoring, we all are. US on China COVID unrest. Australia to withdraw or refund fines issued during COVID pandemic. Rishi Sunak said, golden era of UK-China ties over. Israel's Netanyahu signed coalition deal with homophobic far-right MP. Ukraine's Zelensky said Russia shells Kherson region 258 times in a week. Rishi Sunak said delivering new free trade agreement with India. And now some sports news. Women's IPL base price of franchise set at rupees 400 crore, sources said. BCCI ethics officer served conflict of interest notice to President Roger Binny, a report said. 49% international cricketers ready to reject national contracts for T20 leagues survey. Ferrari team principal Mattia Binotto resigned. BWF rankings, Lakshya Sen regained career best 6 spot. Gayatri Teresa broke into top 20. Difficult to walk, Tiger Woods withdrew from Hero World Challenge due to foot injury. Former Arsenal manager Arsene Wenger could visit India to advise on youth development projects, AIFF. FIFA shared images of huge crowd watching World Cup in Bangladesh capital Dhaka. Qatar World Cup pitch invader with rainbow flag released, ministry. Casemiro goal down Switzerland to take Brazil into World Cup last 16. FIFA World Cup 2022 Portugal advanced to last 16, beats Uruguay 2-0. Now news related to business. Sensex Nifty end at new all-time highs, sustained momentum for 6th day. Rupee declined by 3 paise to close at 81.71 per US dollar. RBI to launch retail digital rupee on December 1 on pilot basis. India to see significant economic activity over next 10 years, Nandan Nilekani. New digital lending platform is first to digitize home loan process, ICICI Bank said. Strong headwinds to slow global trade growth in 2023 WTO. A United Flight Tata Group to merge Vistara with Air India. Limit raise. SEBI increased MF investment in debt instruments to 12%. News from Science and Technology. Scientists hunt for the second closest supermassive black hole. Happy with Thibault performance, Dhruv Space now aims for larger satellites. Agnikul inaugurated India's first private space vehicle, Launchpad in Sriharikota. NASA Artemis 1 mission, Orion sent back views of Earth and Moon. And that's all in news. Thank you.